Hello and welcome to this daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Samuel. Today is Friday, so I'm going to release another t-shirt design for you guys. If you're just joining me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed already. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been doing well, and I'm glad you guys are with me. You guys clicked on it, and because you guys want to make passive income from print on demand, selling t-shirt on Teespring, Redbubble, matched by Amazon, this is the channel for you. You're going to learn how to create good designs that sell, creative t-shirt graphics that sell on this site. So if that's what you're interested in, please make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't click off of this video. Some of you want to click off already, but please don't click off of it, but watch it to the end so that you can learn something new today. So without too much of time, I'm going to start by opening Photoshop. I use Photoshop for this design. For most of my design, if I'm not using Photoshop, then I'm using Canva, but for this one, I'm using Photoshop. It's going to be a very simple design, a very simple design, as simple as you can imagine. So let's do that. Open new. Standard is 4,500 by 5,400. I'm just going to start with that. So I already had my graphics downloaded, which is this very simple t-shirt. Very simple t-shirt. I'm just going to drag it into Photoshop. I'll just place it into Photoshop. So I'm going to increase the size. To do that, I'll over my mouse to this edge and I'll press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, my Shift key button, and left mouse key button. I'll drag outward to make it quite big. So now that we have that, so the next step is for us to duplicate this layer and reduce it. So to do that, I'll just press down my Alt key button again, my left mouse key button, and just drag. I've duplicated it. So now I'm going to change the color. So I won't do it from here. So I'll change the color. I'll just over mouse to this edge and click on this part. Go to color overlay and just change the color to a different one. So now I'm going to press down Ctrl T. So I like this again, and I'm going to reduce this. I'm trying to make a mirror effect with this t-shirt, so I'm going to reduce this. And now I'm going to press down the 3 buttons again, Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse key button, drag inward. So now that I've done that, I've mirrored it down. So now I'm going to duplicate this one and mirror it down again. So to do that, so Alt key button, left mouse key button, and drag. Change the color one more time. Color overlay, and I'll change the color. I'm just going to mirror, press OK, I'm going to do Ctrl C again. Reduce the size, pressing down the Alt Shift and left mouse key button together. I'll mirror it down for this one again. So you see, so I'll keep doing this. So now I'm going to duplicate it one more time again and just mirror it down one more time. So to do that, Alt key button, left mouse key button, drag, change the color overlay, just change it orange, and press OK. So Ctrl T again. So I like the 3 buttons, Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse key button to reduce it, and I'll just move that here. So as you can see, I've created a mirror effect on this t-shirt. I've created a mirror effect. So I'm just going to click on these 3. Just going to move this one down, move the blue down, and I'll move this down. So something crazy is a creative t-shirt design. But for this, because I want to be able to put on a black shirt, I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to change the color of that. To a different color. Do color overlay. Yes, and I'll just leave it at that. So now we have it. So the next step is for us to turn off this background. You don't want the background because you want to be able to transfer it to different t-shirts. So you turn off this background and you can say we're good to go. So we just save it, save this, and save as t-shirt logo, and just save it as PNG. Very important to save it as PNG because you don't want the white background. So PNG is the only option to give it that I know of. That's what I use. So press OK. So now you can see we have that already set up. You can see so far it has just taken us about 5 minutes to do that. So now we're going to transfer it onto our 3D mockup, realistic mockup. This is good if you want to promote it on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. This is very important. So I'll just look for my hanger mockup, which I usually use for my designs. So I'll just go to where say your design here. I'll just click on it and delete these two designs. I'm bringing our new design, which is t-shirt logo. So just look for t-shirt. So this is it. So I'll just drag it into this space. And now I'm going to reduce it a bit. So you know as I do that, press down your Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, drag inwards to reduce. Press enter when you're done. And click on file and save. Now when you go back, it should be on your shirt, as you can see. Be on your shirt. So I want to make sure it's straight and not slanted like the way it is. So I do Ctrl T and I just, you see this where the curved arrow is, just click on your left mouse button and drag, move your mouse to when you're okay with it. You can decide to move this up. You can decide to move this up. As you can see. So now we have it now on our shirt. We have it on our shirt. And the design is simple design. It's called the t-shirt wearing the t-shirt wearing the t-shirt wearing the t-shirt. And it's that simple. It did not take us so much time to design it. So now the next step we want to do is to save this. Just save this. Press to just save this. Go to file, save as t-shirt logo. You see it now. Our design, you save it as PNG, and you can just promote this. You can also remove the background if you want to promote it without the background. You can also remove the background. To do that, you just go down and click on this to get the background. Also, you can just get your design. Now you can promote it on social media without the background. But if you want a realistic 3D mockup, what I'll just advise you to do is to upload it on Redbubble or TeePublic. Once you upload your Redbubble video, put it on Real Human Mockups. So that one you can have promoted with the NBN shirt. It's as simple as that. It's not complicated. Not complicated at all. You can do that for yourself. So if you go back now, you can just go over to my channel. I want to show you 2 videos you need to watch. Super important. 2 videos you really need to watch. This is one of it. One of it already has 323 views, so that's why I say it's important to watch this video. Super important to watch this video. Then you can go down one more and find another one. There's a super interesting one you need to watch. Super interesting if you're just starting up with Redbubble, or if you've not started selling on Redbubble yet, you might want to watch this one. It already has 754 views, so you might want to watch these 2. It's super important to watch those 2 videos. Those videos will give you an idea on the best print on demand site and how to find tags for your design so that they sell properly and you're good to go. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. I release video for now. I'm planning on getting back to my daily upload schedule, but for now I just release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today is Friday. If you're watching it on Friday, but if you're watching it on any other day, I release this video on Friday. You can check the dates to be sure. But when I'm back to my daily upload schedule, you will definitely be the first to know. And I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. We are 256 followers. Let's get this to 1,000 at the end of May. Yes, You can do it. This is the 8th of May. You can do it. You can do it. Join me on this journey. Let's get to 1,000 before the end of May. If you believe and you know you make money from print on demand, passively sitting in your house, just designing your shirt and uploading, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share the video. And to your right, you're going to see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists so you learn more. You learn more for t-shirt design. And I'll see you on Monday. Stay blessed.